So first, thank you very much for having me here today. I'm here to introduce you to some of the latest Institut Louis Bachelier value propositions. So this is only about the Institut Louis Bachelier. And especially, I will talk about some of the realization within the context of the PLADIFES project and the ILB labs. So without further ado, there is a question I'd like to ask to the assembly, that is, as researchers or practitioners, have you ever felt blocked or stuck because of some lack of quality data? Could be about cost of data, transparency, accessibility, or something else. Well, by experience, I bet you did. Because, yeah, that was a rhetorical question, but this point is actually at the heart of the first thing that I want to talk about, that is the PLADIFES project. So I quickly describe what is this project. It's something that is directed by the Institut Louis Bachelier and funded by the ANR, the French National Agency of Research, for 8 years, and it's a collaboration within the Institut Louis Bachelier, the CNRS, the ESG Business School, and the Pôle Finance Innovation. There are several objectives in this project, but I will just go over the main ones that are giving access to researchers to key daily and high frequency data for finance, and also to help bridging some of the data gaps in ESG, and by bridging these gaps, also providing useful databases for researchers that could be accessed for free or for a marginal cost. And one of the last objectives is to propose tools for the whole industry to be used as free as possible. And the first one that we released just last year is the ESG data cartography. So if you are interested in the ESG data cartography, there's a QR code in the entrance of the event. And basically, that's a free tool that is available on the Institut Louis Bachelier website that helps you, either practitioners, public, private, or researchers, to find data providers and methodology providers for sustainable finance topics. We try to make it as user-friendly as possible, and that's something that can give you an overview of the available providers, give some of the key characteristics of the providers, and that is also maintained and updated by the providers directly. So that's truly useful if you are in this field, and I guess some of you here are. So as I said, that's available through a QR code available in the entrance. And also today we are releasing a dedicated website for ESG databases. So in the context of the PLADIFES project, we are creating databases through AI and machine learning algorithms. And some of the databases are already available on this website, and some more will come in the incoming years. So this part was about the PLADIFES project, which is mainly for researchers, even not only. But I want also speak about for the practitioners, either private or public. And I don't know if you know some of them who may have some troubles with sustainable finance related topics, and personally I can think of a lot, if not all. So towards addressing those issues, the Institut Bachelier came up with a new team for these topics called the ESG Lab. So that's a new team of experts within the Institut Louis Bachelier network. Basically, we already had the DataLab for the data science expertise, and now we continue with the same team, but adding a new expertise on this team, that is the ESG Lab. So just for you to have some numbers, the DataLab already have more than 9 years of experience, and the ESG Lab, I mean, ESG projects have been started in the past 2/3 years. It's directed for the data part by Marine Nere and for the ESG part by Juan Certa. And on the ESG side, projects are also on the supervision of Stéphane Voisin. We are increasing and growing really fast, so please feel free to contact us. And if you want to have an overview of some of the topics that we can cover regarding ESG, you can check out some of the use cases that you have below, such as portfolio alignment, ESG indicator influence of on risk, on opportunity or whatever, financial engineering, specifically in the context of the transition, regulation compliances, impact assessment, and so on and so forth. So that was really quick, but that was a lot of information. You can contact us, I mean, come to me directly if you want to exchange, or come to anyone from the Institut Bachelier. And if you want to take away, you have the QR code to the new website that we are releasing today. Thank you very much for your attention.